can go and submit the application. So language, country of application office, I select this. City, I select this. Surname, family name, do it as per your case. So we're gonna see how this you can fill it up. Surname at birth, former family name. Date of birth, do it as per your own case. Place of birth, country of birth, current nationality, national birth, different gender, email, put your email, proper email, don't do like this is just sample. Phone number without your IST code. Country calling code, so for India it will be +91. Travel document, your passport. So most of the people will have ordinary passport number. Make sure it matches with your passport exactly. Date of issue, issued by country, valid until. Description of issuer, it will be in your passport, just copy that. Applicant continued, your applicant home country, and home city, home address, current occupation. Employer name, main purpose of journey, so for tourism. Member state of first entry, so do it as per your own case. Main state of destination, Iceland selected. Number of entries requested, select one. Intended date of arrival, so remember the processing time. Date of departure, do not fill this form of this out if the main purpose is tourism, so I'll skip this. Next, you have to check all this, read everything, and then submit. And that receipt you need to carry with your application that we had gone through before. So we have gone through that part already, so I'm not going to go there, but this is how it works, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.